6.1b, law of sines. Congratulations. All right. All right. So we find area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Normally, this is called law of sines or area of an oblique triangle. And I need a reader. Thank you so much, Maddie, for volunteering.
The area of a triangle is 1/2 the product of the lengths of two sides times the sine of their included angle.
Their what? Included angle. What does it mean to be included? Between two sides, exactly. It's not like we accept him. All right, means it's between two sides. For instance, if we have an ABC triangle here, this is your side A, true, and this is your side B, and this is your side C, yes? Yes. If I picked A and B as my sides, what is my included angle? My included angle is angle C, because that's in between those two sides. All right. If I picked sides B and C, what would be my included angle? A. All right. It would be the one between them. So the area equation it's pretty simple. It's just 1/2 your two sides sine of your included angle. So it's 1/2 BC sine A, or 1/2 AB sine C. All right. It's the other one. It's the one that's in between them. I need another reader. Thanks so much, Lucas. Go for it.
Find the area of a triangular lot having two sides of length 90 meters and 52 meters and an included angle of 102 degrees.
All right. So I have 90 and I got 52 as my sides, and then I have 102 that's what? Included. All right. Which means it is where? In between them. All right. So how do I do it? Put it in my formula. So the area is equal to 1/2 times, what are my two sides? 90 times 52 times sine of 102 degrees. All right. And then put it in your hand. All right. What is it? 8654 meters squared. Why is this squared? Because it's area. It's two-dimensional. All right. Read for us. Here we go.
The course for a boat race starts at point A and proceeds to direction 5.52 degrees west to point B, then the direction
South.
40 east to point C, and finally back to A. Point C is 8 kilometers directly south of point A. Approximate the total distance of the race course.
All right, fantastic. All right, fantastic. Now, these are called directions here. Okay, and what this means is everybody knows your never eat soggy waffles, right? Everybody knows that one. Is that what you guys call it? Never eat soggy waffles. All right. So the way I learned it was like north, south, and then wee. All right, that's the way I learned it. But anyway, I've grown accustomed to your soggy waffles, which is kind of gross. But anyway, this is the directions that you guys use. All right. And so what this means is it's south, which is down, and then you go west 52 degrees. All right. That's what that meant. Okay. And so a lot of people have trouble with this the first time, and those that are in physics, I've heard that you guys have trouble with this too, I've heard. All right, so this is another way to do it. So south, 40 degrees east, we would first start out at south and then 40 degrees to the east. You see how that went? So if I have to play around with another one, if I say it's north, 30 degrees west, I would first start what? I would first start up and then what? I would go left the 30 degrees right there. Does that make sense how we did that?
So it's northwest?
That would be northwest, all right? But it'd be north 30 degrees west, all right? Race course. I need to find the total distance of the race course. So I need to solve for this side C. I also need to solve for this side, and what would we call that one? We'd probably call it A. However, right now I only have one angle. I need to find more than that. How do I find them? What angle do we know? Okay, we know this is 52. Good. All right, what else do you know? You also know that this one is 40. Do you know anything else? What's this angle? What's angle C? What? 40. Who said 40? Good. It is 40. Why? Let's see if your geometry teacher taught you something. Why is that 40?
I forgot the
Yeah.
It's supplementary, right?
They're not supplementary. Supplementary means they add up to 180. Why is that 40? They're alternate interior angles. That's why they're 40 degrees. All right. Okay. Because this right here, and this right here are parallel lines. All right. And this is the transversal. It's cut by a transversal. These are alternate interior angles. All right. So that's 40 because those are alternate interiors. So this is 52. So how do I find angle B? I subtract those from 180, and what do I get? 88 degrees. Good. All right, so that right there is 88 degrees. Now, which one can we solve for? C and A. It doesn't really matter. So which one do you want to solve for? C. Let's solve for C then. All right. So I'm going to have C over what? Sine of 40. Good. Is equal to? 8 over sine of 88. Good. All right. And then it's kind of one step. What do we multiply by? Sine of 40 degrees. Good. All right. And now type it into your handy dandy calculator. All right. What do we get for side C? 5.1454. All right. All right. Now let's solve for A. So now we have A over what? Sine of 52 degrees, which is equal to 8 over sine of 88. Good. And so now we just multiply by sine of 52. All right. Jasmine, what do we get?
6.3080.
Is it 80 or 79? 79. All right. All right. So now I have that one. So now what do we need to do? I haven't answered the question yet. What do we need to do? Do what? No, not the area, but the perimeter. All right, the total distance around it. So we just need to add up 8 and then 6.3079 and 5.1454. And so when we add those all together, we end up with, all right, 19.4533 kilometers. All right. We need a reader. Thanks, Kamara. Go.
A bridge is to be built across a small lake from a gazebo to the dock. The bearing from the gazebo to the dock is 41 degrees south. Wait, that's south.
South 41 degrees west.
Oh, okay. South 41 degrees west. From a tree 100 meters from the gazebo. The bearings to the gazebo and the dock are south 74 degrees east and south 28 degrees east, respectively. Find the distance from the gazebo to the dock.
So what's my proportion?
I did A over sine of 46. And then 100 over sine of 69.
Good. All right. And then what's my only step?
100 times sine of 46 divided by sine of 69.
Good. All right. And what do we get?
77.0517.
Meters. Yeah, pretty good. All right. After so your homework is a 6.1b worksheet.